adinkoo midowga Yurub ah waxay tusaaleynaysaa waxa la yiraahdo tacaanuq alxadaaraat xadaaraduhu inay isqoraystaan ama ay ishabgareeyaan.
Ramadan Kareem. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all this to this special Iftar gathering hosted here at the EU Diplomatic Compound in your honor. It is my sincere hope that Somali leaders will embody the core values of Ramadan, especially of dialogue, mutual understanding, and striving for the well-being of all Somalis.
As representing the federal government of Somalia, we, the government, stand on the side of dialogue, on the side of consultation, and on the side of unity. And it's on those principles and those bases that we have had a few days of dialogue with members of the opposition groups. We hope to continue that. We remain steadfast in the agenda of building consensus on a future that is much brighter than the past and on a progress that the Somali people deserve and demand.